Hi everyone! In this video, I will be walking through the Map Explorer function on the Well Explorer app. This is the fourth video in our four-part series on the Well Explorer app. Please see our first video for a general overview of the app, the second video where I walked through the Zip Searcher tool, and the third video on the Ingredient Explorer function. Okay, so right now we are looking at the home screen of the Well Explorer app, and now I'll navigate to the Map Explorer tab. And you can do this by clicking the tab on the home screen or the tab at the bottom to the far right. Now we are looking at the Map Explorer function. And as you can see, it shows you a map similar to what you would see if you were looking at a Google Maps. And if you click on this arrow at the top left corner, it brings up some map options. So similar to the Zip Searcher tool, you can center your search around a location. And so here under Center Search At, you can choose to do your search around your location currently, or you can do custom and enter in a zip code, an address, or any other location that you could enter into Google Maps. But differently than the Zip Searcher tool, you also do not have to center your search around a location. And by doing this, you will hit none, and then you can order the wells by well name, well depth, or toxicity, search for a number of wells, and then enter in different ingredients you would like to search for, genes affected, or pathways affected. And so this searcher really combines the tools of the Zip Searcher tool and the Ingredient Explorer tool. And so let's do an example. And so let's order by well names, and we'll search for, we'll do about 1,000 wells, and we will look for wells that affect the testosterone pathway. And so to run this search, we will just click the back arrow at the top and the search will begin. And so now you can see that the wells, because we're zoomed out, are clustered into these big circles here. And so the number there reflects the number of wells. And so if we zoom in, they will start to spread out into the different areas where the wells are. So we'll zoom in here and we'll keep zooming in until we see a well. So once it gets here, we can see an individual well here by this red marker. And if we click on that, we can click on the well itself. And this will take us to the page that we saw in the Zip Searcher video where it tells us details about the well and the ingredients used. And so if we want to go back, you can go back to the Map Explorer at the bottom. And really this tool is to help you visualize where wells are in the United States and what ingredients these different wells use. And it's kind of fun. You can play around with this and look for wells that use different ingredients and affect different pathways. And so let's just change this up again just so we know how to use this function. And we'll do some other pathways and we'll only include toxic wells. So as you can see, this map looks a little bit differently. We'll zoom in here and we can zoom into Pennsylvania. And we can click on the wells that fit this filter. And there we can see this well that's in Bradford, Pennsylvania. And then we'll just go back to the Map Explorer page and zoom back out. And so finally, we can also search for wells based on their operator. So if we click here where it says well name or operator, we can enter in an operator that we are interested in. And so here I will enter in XTO Energy. And then if we click back again, it will search for all the wells that are owned by this operator. So we can zoom in on the wells in Pennsylvania. And then we can click on one well and see the same information that we saw before. So that is the basic functionality of the Map Explorer tool. I hope this series on the Well Explorer app has been helpful for you, and hopefully you will use this app to search for wells and learn more about the ingredients that they use in the future. And please reach out if you have any questions or would like to learn more about the app or what this information means for you and your community. Thank you.